Hi, I'm Iliana, your president.
And I'm Nicole Garcia, your vice president.
And welcome to the premiere episode of TCS News.
So what you can expect from TCS News is announcements, updates, and anything having to do with the school community. So later on, we're going to have Mikaila doing a special report, so make sure to stay till the end.
And starting off with something sweet, we have our annual candygrams. So each of these are $2 each, but we have a deal for 2 for $3, so you could buy your friend one.
That sounds pretty good to me, but listen. If that doesn't satisfy your sweet tooth, we also have something else coming up. Our bake sale happening on February 13th, so make sure you come prepared.
And getting to the Black History Month spotlight, we have special guests coming in 4th and 5th period to have career presentations. And after lunch, during 7th and 8th period, we have a Q&A, and we have the Respect for All video.
Going back, let's go to Mikaila so she could take it away.
Hi, I'm Mikaila Morales, and today we're going to dive into the world of literature right here on campus. In room 206, the Words Matter Literary Club is bringing stories, poetry, and creative expressions to life. Students in the club are encouraged to share their interests and present any works in progress. I spoke with Rochelle, a devoted member of the club, to ask her why she joined.
I joined the club because I'm a bookworm, and I was like, sure, why not? If we can read books and talk about them. Saxena also said that we were going to write stuff, so I'm trying to get into writing. So, like, in the future, I can publish a book. So, yeah.
The club advisor, Mr. Saxena, and club president, Nicole Garcia, coach and mentor their members on their literature. They work on writing poetry and introduce new vocabulary.
I started the club because I knew there was a really big importance on media and how we engage with it, like books and reading and other stuff like movies, and how that affects us in our own lives and how we interact with others. So I really wanted to focus on how we appreciate that, put it in our own lives, and in a bunch of the clubs and the activities we do, we really focus on what we've created and being inspired from that.
The Literary Club is a community where students can come together and share their voices and inspire each other. If you're interested in joining, stop by room 206 every Thursday. I've been Mikaila Morales for TCS News.
Just like Mikaila said, the Literary Club meets every Thursday, and we'd love to see you there.
And for our lunch drop-ins, 9th and 10th graders, you guys are able to write gratitude letters February 25th.
And then for 11th and 12th grade, you guys will be designing a puzzle piece on February 24th.
And for our honorable mention, we have Jada Delgado for being the only cinema student to represent us on the girls' basketball team.
Not only is she hardworking, dedicated, but it also shows her perseverance.
Also, their senior night is this Friday, February 7th.
So make sure to show up and show your support. But before we end this off, there's something we really do have to talk about.
I'm sure you were there when Miss Warner gave her beautiful speech about the relocation.
But the cinema school is staying.
Woo! So how do you feel about that?
I just feel really glad knowing that a lot of students have shown so much support for the community. And I'm just glad that they're able to still stay in the same building that we grew up with in you.
So thank you for watching. Stay creative, and we'll see you next episode.